I finally have the Quest 3 in hand. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm so excited. Come on, let's start this gen. Come on. Case offering thingy. Oh, let's get it. Oh my goodness, bro. It doesn't even seem real. These buttons still suck. These buttons are still trash. The headset itself. My goodness. It looks so cool. Oh, you got that. Oh, I got that new headset smell. Oh my god. Oh my goodness, the headset. Finally. Look at the whites. Like, look at that. Now we have the setup process, and it's the second easiest part of the entire Quest 3 experience. First, you get your phone, open up the Quest app, and then there will be a pop-up that tells you that there is a headset that you might want to connect to. You go through that process, you log in, and after that, you put the headset back on and you are sent into mixed reality right away. You can double tap the side of your Quest to enter pass-through or exit it, and overall, the pass-through it's alright. People say it's amazing. That's false news, right? It is grainy. Everything they said are those things like they were doing it under amazing lighting conditions. They just lied to our faces. I thought it was going to be the best pass-through I've ever seen in my life. It was not, but it's still the best in the competition that I believe. But next, I want to talk about something that I find very interesting and terrible for the Quest 3. Now we have the games. The Quest 3 comes with one flagship game, and it's called First Steps or something like that. It's a new mixed reality game where a ship lands into your room and you are given a gun while these alien balls try to come through, and I'm not gonna lie, they are like the cutest things ever. Now at first glance, the game does seem cool, and it was for about 5 minutes until the sad reality came in. There's literally no other game to play on the Quest 3 that wasn't on the Quest 2. The Quest 3, for whatever reason, God knows what that is, did not come with any flagship games. The store is still filled with all the same games, and the games that are actually meant for the Quest 3 that are supposed to take advantage of the better graphics and the performance and the pancake waffle lenses, they're all coming in the future. And I don't really like that. I just don't. That doesn't change my belief that the Quest 3 is the best VR headset out in the market right now, with the value, the games, the features, and at last place, the comfort. There are games that have been updated to take advantage of the Quest 3, like The Walking Dead, Saints and Sinners, and Red Matter 2, but an update, really? The Quest 2, the box that it came with, has games on the back, but the Quest 3 specifically does not have a single game on the back of the package. But all of this leads me to the next point, and it's the biggest problem I have with the Quest 3. MKBHD said it best. There has been a subtle trend lately of smartphones launching with a bunch of their features coming soon or coming later this year, and I don't love it. That's exactly what just happened with the Quest 3. The Quest 3 promised for improved graphics and performance, and it gave us that, but the only game that I can really think that takes advantage of this is Red Matter 2. The Quest 3 also promised upper body tracking with the downward facing cameras, or with like elbow tracking, but to our surprise, it simply didn't. They're also supposed to be leg AI prediction tracking. Mark Zuckerberg said that was going to be on the headset, and that didn't come out either. They're also supposed to have augments in our space. That's what I was super excited for. Like, that was it. I could put on my headset and I could have random paintings and animated games just sitting there and trophies on my wall, and that also didn't come out. It's supposed to come out in quotation later this year. That's just a bummer. I mean, we are paying $500 for a headset with features that are locked behind a specific date, even though they advertised it with the headset. I know the features are done. I just can't think of a reason why they won't release it with the headset. But not everything with the Quest 3 is bad. There are actually a ton of good things with the Quest 3, and there's one thing in specific that I really love about the Quest 3 at the very end. The Quest 3 is an amazing headset. Straight up and straight down, to the left and to the right. This is the best headset. It comes with much better lenses than the Quest 2. The pass-through on the Quest 3 is great. Not as amazing as people said it was when the pre-review release thing, dang, but it's definitely the best out there and the best that I've actually ever tried that is accessible to the general public. There is so much potential for the Quest 3's mixed reality features. It is just insanity. As we can see, Awaken Toast made a video that I found super entertaining of him just outside having a blast playing Sword Art Online in real life and with the hand tracking. It was literally the coolest thing ever, and it just showed a glimpse of the future of what VR can be in mixed reality. And I think mixed reality is the future for sure. I think phones in general, there has been a theory going around that phones are dying off and there's going to be something else to replace the phones, and I think mixed reality glasses and headsets, that's where it's going to be at. Thank you to today's sponsor, Surfshark VPN. As a person who likes to play VR games, I like to search up Quest 2 games from time to time, and even on some websites that I don't fully trust, and that's where Surfshark comes in. When I turn on Surfshark, It hides me from the thieves on the internet like Mark Zuckerberg while I browse on some websites that are a little bit sketchy to look for Quest 2 games and or Steam games for VR. Not only that, but when I want to watch Netflix on my Quest 2, some shows are blocked in my country for whatever reason. So what I do is install Surfshark on my Quest 2 by downloading the APK from the website and then boot it up on my Quest 2 to watch any show that I want. And when I'm not on my Quest 2, like when I'm at school, just like everybody else who watches these videos probably, a ton of websites that I want to use to make and create these videos for you guys are completely blocked. So then I went ahead and downloaded Surfshark on my laptop to unlock these websites. Get Surfshark in the description down below. And if you sign up using my name KSAR, you get an extra 3 months for completely free. Conclusion time. The Quest 3 is a good and a bad headset. It sucks that the Quest 3 didn't come with the features or the games that were promised before release, like the new upper body tracking, leg tracking, and the brand new games that maximize the Quest 3's performance, but that does not stop this headset from being hands down the best VR headset with the best pass-through and features. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know what I should do to improve these videos. Whoever has the best answer will be shouted out in the next video.